Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about the standard time and the local time. Now see, just to observe the map. In this map, this is the middle line is there 12 noon. It is the clocks are shown here 12 noon. This main line of the map is called as a Greenwich Mean Time line. When we move towards the east from the 12 o'clock in the noon, when we move towards the east from one line, so the timing between two lines it increasing by 4 minutes. For example, 12 to 1 o'clock it increased the 4 minutes. Then 1 to 2 to the east it increases by the 4 minutes each. And when you are moved towards the west, it is the timing is decreases by the 4 minutes. So that's why day and night is different from the other people. So with the help of this map, we can solve the example. Now we see, Mashhad is the town in Iran is located on the 60-degree east latitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of the Mashhad town. When for this example, as we move toward the east of the prime meridian, this map, like as when you are moved towards the east from this, the timing is increasing by the 4 minutes. So that's why the difference between the longitude of Greenwich to Mashhad is 60-degree. Means the Mashhad town in Iran, it is located on 60-degree east. So that's why the difference in local time is 60 into 4 minutes. 60 into 4 minutes means 60 degree that particular town is located. So 60 into 4 minutes it becomes 240 minutes. So 240 minutes divided by 60 means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hours. So that's why 240 divided by 260 minutes it becomes 4 hours. That's why the implies that the same time is the Mashhad. When the 12 noon at the Greenwich, that time the Mashhad's timing is 4 o'clock. Like same here, the Manaus city in Brazil is located on the 60-degree west. It is this side it is west east, but it is the west. So like as you have to calculate it, the difference is longitude between the two places is 60-degree. It is a 60-degree. So that is a 60-degree into 4. It becomes 240 minutes. It becomes 240 minutes divided by 4. It becomes the 4 hours. But now see, this example it became 60-degree east. This example it is a 60-degree east. That's why the timing was 4 o'clock from the midnight. But here it is the west. This city is located in the west. That's why this timing is become the 4 before decrease the by 4 it become the 8 o'clock. So that is example. From these two examples we are going to study about when we find out the exact location of the place. When we are moving towards the east, so the timing of each place is increased by 4 minutes, and when you can move towards the west, so the timing was decreased by the 4 minutes. So you have to find out the exact places. We have studied that the local time is different in different parts of the world. The daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those places. Figure 1.3 shows the local times of different longitude. Study this map and answer the following questions. Use the relation between degree and for the time. Now see, for example, when the sun is directly overhead. In our situation, when the sun is directly overhead at the place on the earth, it is the noon over there. While telling the time between midnight and noon, we put AM in front of the time. We know that from night 12 o'clock to the afternoon 12 o'clock, this is the timing of AM, and after noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, it is the PM. So this means anti-meridian and PM means the prime meridian. So now see, both the places, longitude lies to east, any longitude are ahead of the time that longitude were those lying on the west behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, their local times also start differing. If we multiply the differences between longitude in degree by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitude can be known with the help of global map. Now see, now Indian Standard Time. Now we are going to study about Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree to 30 degree east longitude, which passes through the Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country. With reference to its longitude extent, the local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it's a 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour difference. Now see, this is the map of our India. So these lines is gone into middle part of our country. So north south distance is 302 kilometers. So when this line Indian Standard Time meridian. So once the sun is becomes in this line, it becomes the afternoon 12 o'clock. So you are calculated whole country's timing is now when the sun is becomes in this line, sun is becomes coming in overhead on this line. So that is the 12 o'clock. So we calculated whole time of our country. Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time and Greenwich time in England is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard time of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at the Greenwich, then India would be the 10:30 p.m. So dear student, we will complete next video the question answers.